Hola! Hendrik here, and I'm going to make you the classic wedge salad. What you're going to need for this, of course, is iceberg lettuce, bacon. This is about 8 strips of bacon. We won't be using it all. Red onion, tomato, blue cheese dressing, and I'm actually going to be putting a little bit of balsamic glaze on this. So let's get started. First, take out the core here without taking it out too deep. Just like that is fine. We're going to cut this now into 4 pieces. Just like that. You want to cut a little bit off the bottom, just like that, so that they sit properly. Just a little bit. Add the blue cheese dressing. And now, for this, I like the bacon just like this, in bigger pieces, so that when you actually get a piece in your mouth, it's something to grab onto, something to bite into. There we go. That's looking very nice. This, we're going to add a little bit of the fresh tomato, just like that. There's nothing like a nice little chunk of blue cheese on top, just like that. Maybe a touch more blue cheese. And then the onion just in the rings on top. This is lovely. If you love onion, it's there. And if you don't love it, it's very easy to remove. To finish it, I'm going to take a little bit of balsamic glaze, give it a quick drizzle on top. It'll add a lot of color, adds a lovely flavor, and there you are. The classic wedge salad. You're going to love it!